Hello and welcome everyone. Today we will talk about newest Nbminer version 41.0. It comes with 100% LHR unlocker for Nvidia cards. And in this video we will see how to install this update on Hiveos. I've already installed the update, so I will show you how I did it, and we will see our results. So let's start. So I have a notepad here. I will share the link with you. So we have 3 steps here, actually 4 steps here. So first we need to get the latest Hiveos version. So how we do that is you use the update button here. So I've already installed the update, so it isn't here, but you can just use the update button here. It takes around a minute, so it's easy. After that we need to create a flight sheet using Nbminer 40.1. So how we do that, you can see I have 6 cards here, and GPU 1, 3060Ti, GPU 3 and GPU 4 are my LHR cards. So these 3 are not LHR. So what I do is I go out to my flight sheet, then I edit my flight sheet. So I select my coin, Ethereum, then I choose my wallet, pool and miner. So I choose Nbminer here, then go set up my miner config, and in the version tab we need to select the 40.1. So after I do that, I apply changes and update the miner. So it's easy as that. Then it starts mining as usual. After that, what do? It starts the miner, yes. So after that we run this command below. So what is this command? You can see, you can just copy paste this. You can see it's downloading the newest version from Nbminer's official website, so it's safe, don't worry. Then it's replacing Nbminer 41.0 with 40.1. So it's just updating the files, replacing the files. So we copy this, and in this tab with this button, run command button, we paste this command here. So you can see I've already ran this command. So after you click run, it takes around a minute to download, and it starts mining automatically. It respects your overclocks, your flight sheet, etc. So it's easy as that. Just copy and paste this command here. Then so let's see the results here. So GPU 1 RTX 3060 Ti, this one is LHR. It's running at 61.17 MH, so very good, almost as good as regular 3070. You can see here. And this one is also a LHR card. This one is running slightly better because memory clock is better on this card. And you can see RTX 3070 Ti running at 81 MH per second at 205 power limit. So it's just great. I must say this update changes everything, and I think GPU prices can rise again, especially Nvidia ones, LHR ones. So yeah, that's it for the video. Leave a comment if you like the video, and thanks for watching.